Watch it.
I'll chop off your girl. Good old hot meat.
I could just hear it now. I could just listen. For those of you who don't know what this is, right? So Rastafarians, when it comes to pork, meat, period, they're like Muslims with pork. And when it comes to pork, for them, pork is considered a dirty meat. It's something you never eat. You don't touch. You don't use products that have pork in it. None of that. So to see one who proclaims to be a Rasta is right now I can hear the elder Rasta. The elder Rasta is going fire for that. Yeah, Babylon boy that. All kind of something. He just got evicted from the temple. His Rasta card just got pulled. He is no longer a Rasta. Matter of fact, I bet you, but watch this, watch the science behind all this. There are a lot of Rastas that actually hide and eat the meat. I'm not talking about just the pig meat. I talk about the woman meat. I talk about the chicken meat. There's a lot of Rasta that hide and do it. Don't take my word for it. Just look on the Rasta them. I am always puzzled when I see a Rasta with a belly that is so big out to yasso. And he must say, holy Emmanuel, I King Selassie, I Jah, Rastafari. I and them thing there and his belly is like out to here. I know that fruits and vegetables alone does not do that to your human body. If you stick to fruits and vegetables, you'll probably be looking like, you know what I'm saying, like Sizzler or like Buju Banton, that type of a body structure. You notice how Buju came home big, right? Thick. Because he was eating all that Yankee food in prison. And then when he got back to Jamaica, he went back to his Rasta food, his Rasta diet. And look at Buju how he slimmed down quick. Them Rasta here with big belly, enough of them a hide and eat. Me now ask you, me I tell you, and a lot of them without the big belly a hide and eat too. If you look on this Rasta body, if a pork give him that the body there, then enough of we want yam some pork too. That's all I'm saying. I bet you this brother don't have a gym membership. I bet you he don't have a gym membership nowhere. I bet you he don't know what it feels like to jog or run on a treadmill or run a mile. And I bet you he don't know what it feels like to restrict his diet and say, me I go on a diet. I'm only going to be eating at 12 o'clock and 4 o'clock and that's it. And me I drink water for the rest. And he don't know none of that. Pork, pig meat. Let me close this by saying this. My grandparents are still alive and they're in their 90s and they ate pig meat all their life. You understand? And me right now, I would have to live 3 times my lifetime over the age I am now to actually get to the ages that they are. And I want to live that long, so should I eat the pork like Rasta said? Them one with a week, have we been tricked? Is it a lie? Is the pork meat really actually good for you? I can hear it now. Fire for that! Wow.